Hi all, today I am going to teach you an international method of how to derive a perfect shoulder slope measurement. If you take measurements using this method, your shoulder slope will never go wrong. I have seen many videos on YouTube. They say that the shoulder slope is 3/4 inch. Some say that the shoulder slope should be taken as 1 inch, and some give different measurements. But every individual is different, so you have to derive the measurements manually. So now I'm going to teach you this method by taking the measurements and as well as drafting the same here. So let's begin. So the first measurement what I'm going to take is on the back side of the body. So I'm going to take the center back measurement from the neck till the waist. Here it is showing me 17 inches. So I'm going to draft 17 inches long line. Once we have drafted the length, just draw the starting line and take the ending line. Okay. So once we have done that, then we are going to go for the second measurement. The second measurement is your back neck width. So which is back neck width, which is showing me around 3 inches. So I'm going to mark 3 inches here. Once I have marked 3 inches, now I'm going to take the next measurement, which is from this point, from the shoulder point, I'm going to take the waist measurement and I'm going to cross it like this here. So I'm going to, from the center, I'm going to cross it here. So once I have done that, then I'm going to go with the fourth measurement, which is the shoulder blade measurement. So from the neck point till the shoulder point, so whatever the measurement we get, we are going to just compass it here. So once we have compassed it, we are going to join it like this, and this is going to be my shoulder slope, and this is always going to be a perfect shoulder slope measure, because every individual is different. No one can have the same shoulder slope measurement. So if you follow this method, you will never go wrong. If you like our video, I request you to do subscribe my channel, like, share and hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.